Hello everyone. It is Tuesday, July 27th, and I entered Starbucks calls yesterday afternoon, late in the day, so that would have been Monday, July 26th. I'm going to talk about why I entered. Okay, we had nice trades in Starbucks a couple weeks ago as well. But look at this nice move. So we had this beautiful move up, took a little bit of a break, brought that 3 nicely back to the 8. And on the daily, you can see we really just were getting pretty extended. And this is true. We had this nice bullish gap. Yesterday, we held the gap. So why did I enter when we were already 1, 2, 3, 4 days up working on our 5th day? Well, it is a big portion of it is this gap. We held this gap and we were looking to close high of day, or at least very close to it when I did enter. Now, I entered the 8:20 Starbucks 125 call at 360. We have earnings after the bell today, so I will be out of this today. I went ahead and set myself for 10% right now. However, I will be able to watch the charts here this morning, and I can let that move a little bit if I choose to. But I think having a 10% sell in, or make sure that whatever you do that you, well, unless you intend to hold through earnings, I do not, that you exit this trade before the close and those earnings come out. Okay, so we had this really nice move up. We put in a gap, and Starbucks with inflationary fears, it has actually done pretty well as far as a chart working through a lot of the the hesitancy. So we held the bullish gap. We were closing high of day. If you pop this over onto a weekly, look at that. It's just continuing to move up. Yesterday, intraday, this is what yesterday looked like. We had that initial dip, and then we just continued to climb and climb. And now here in the pre-market, we're up a little bit, but I really discount that. It doesn't do a lot pre-market, so I'm not really fussing about that. When we came out of this opening range and we're just dancing along the top of it, this is when I entered on the on it staying up out of this opening range and had a nice little pop there into the close. So everything just kind of lined up for an overnight trade. And I knew going in that it would be an overnight trade because of earnings that we have today after the bell. Okay, this is the hourly chart as well. So the initial dip held up and then continued to flag to the top side while building some a little bit of volume there at the end of the day. So all of those things kind of aligned to give me a good risk reward on Starbucks for that entry, and we'll be out of those here today. Again, I've set my sell as of right now at $4, and I'll monitor that as the market opens and see where Starbucks is moving, if maybe I could squeak a little bit more out of there. But we'll definitely close before the close today, close these out before the close today, as I do not intend to hold through earnings. Okay, if you have any questions, reach out. Heather C. GiveMeTreeTrading.com.